Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make child block figure of 3 to 4 years. The materials we require: iron scale, mechanical pencil, eraser and white paper. First of all, we need to remember the things that is very much important. In our scale, in 1 inches means in 1 inches there are 17 lines. These small lines we count, that are 17 lines in 1 inches, and in half inches there are 9 lines, and in 3 by 4 there are 13 lines, and in 1 by 4 there are 5 lines. These are important things which we know before illustration. So this is 4 inches block figure. For that, first of all, apply a straight line of 4 inches. Now mark the point 0, next 1, next 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after marking the point 3, 1 by 4, we will mark 3, 3 by 4, that is 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are points. So after marking the points, now we will draw the parts. First of all, we will draw the head. The measurements are, that is 3 by 4. The lines are 13, means we have to divide 6 on one side and 6 on another side, and 1 in center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Again, this is the width of our head, and length is also 3 by 4. So it is 13. So this is our head. Next, shoulder. The length of the shoulder is 1 inches. 1 inches means 0 to 1. It is a 1 point. Then we will mark the shoulder line here. The shoulder width is also 1 inches. That means we will mark the shoulder on point 1. 17 inches, 8 on one side, 8 on another side, and 1 in center. So after shoulder, we will mark the chest point, that is on 1.5. The length of the chest is 1.5 and the width is 3/4. That is again 13 lines. So it is our head, shoulder and chest. Next is our waist, which is on 0.2, that is 2 inches length of waist, and width is again 3/4. After waist, the crotch area length is 2.5. Crotch area length is 2.5 and width is 1 inches. Like 17 lines, 8 on both the side. Draw a line like this. After the crotch area, the ankle, that is on 3/4, and the width of the ankle is 1/2, that is half. 9 lines. Four on both the sides. And the last is tip of toe. Tip of toe is half plus 0.2, means half inches plus 0.2, that is 9 plus 0.2, 11. We will mark 5 on both the sides. After marking all these lines, now we will join. After joining all these lines, now mark the knee line, that is 3/1/4. Make a straight line here. And it is our knee point. So next, draw the arms and hands. This is our crotch area and we will mark the point from crotch area for arms, that is the distance of half inches. From here we will mark 1/4, that is 5 lines. 1 2 3 4 and 5. And now mark the center of this line. Same on this side, the distance of half inches, and mark the 1/4. This is the difference of half inches. After making this lines, we will join it this side with shoulder and this side with chest. Same on this side. The arms are completed. Now we will make the hands. As we have marked the center, this and this, now we will draw a line that is half inches down. Now mark the center of this half inches. Now in center, make a line that is 1/4. That is 5 lines. Join this. And now we will make the neck. The width of the neck is 0.2 on both the side, and that is 1 and 2, 1 and 2, same as on the shoulder line. And now join these points. Here it is child block figure of 3 to 4 years with proper measurement. This is very easy and simple. So if you like my videos, then click the subscribe button.